Should I do an intro looking like this? I look fucking crazy.
All the shit I've been through only made me more of an assassin.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Chantal, and for today's video we are creating this look right here, which by the way I had so much fun creating, and I'm not even gonna bother with an intro really. Excuse the messy hair. If you watch any of my videos, you know it's kind of my thing, so keep on watching so you guys can see how I created this look. So for my transition color today, I'm going to be using this color called Lure in my Anastasia Prism palette. I love this palette and it's got a lot of different looks that you can create with it. So yeah, Lure is going to be my transition color today. So this transition color is obviously pretty dark, but I am wanting it to be just a little bit pinker, so I'm going to blend this color in here for my Take Me On Vacation palette. This is called Starfish. You can see the difference here. It's kind of softening it a little bit and adding just a little bit of a pop of a pink up top. Now I'm going to take this purple color here called On the Rocks, and I'm just going to blend that right into the crease as well and kind of blend this into the transition color. This color is just a little bit more purple than the Lure color in the Prism palette, but I like how dark that color is and how well it blends, so I just kind of wanted to start with that and then blend these colors on top. So now I'm going to take a denser crease brush from Kestrel and this purple matte color called Colorful from Sephora, and I'm going to blend this into my crease. And again, staying really true to my crease line right here. And rounding it out. So I'm already really loving the shape of this eyeshadow. If you can see here how it's like, boop, just very true to my eyebrow. Looks so good. Now I'm going to take this color Osiris out of my Anastasia Prism palette. This color is so gorgeous. It's like a very beautiful indigo color, and it has these really big flecks of like dark purple sparkles in it, and it's going to be perfect for the inner smoke and outer smoke of this cut crease. And I want to get this brush wet because I really want those sparkles to come out. I'm just going to spray it with some setting spray. All right, now it's time to cut the crease, which I'm not the best at this. I haven't done very many cut creases. Every single cut crease I've done, I've filmed. So you've seen them all. So I'm gonna use my Kylie concealer in the shade Shell, and I'm gonna use this brush right here from Morphe. I don't know if you can see it. We're just gonna cut this bitch, okay? So we're going right in the center. I'm gonna stay true to where my actual crease line is. And then to set it, I'm gonna go in with a white eyeshadow, which I have the perfect one in my Naughty palette. It's called Snowball, which is this white right here. I'm just going to pack this on. Now I'm going to take this silver color here called Snowflake, and I'm going to press that right into the middle of my lid. Now I'm going to take this color here called Coppa Teal, and I'm going to blend this onto the outer parts of that middle cut crease right here. The cut crease isn't like perfectly even. That's one thing that like I have the hardest time with, but I think I'm getting better, guys, which is the whole point of why I'm doing this. Woohoo! And I haven't primed my face yet, so for today's primer, I'm gonna be using the Skin to Die For by Peter Thomas Roth, and this is a no filter mattifying primer. And this shit is like literally mattifying. This is what's up. So I'm gonna put the majority of this in my T-zone where my pores are like really fucking big. I'm also gonna prime my under eyes, and I'm gonna be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. And I always use my middle finger. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with the e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Set spray. For today's foundation, I'm gonna use the Dewy and Smooth Foundation by Maybelline, and this is in the shade 125 Nude Beige. And for concealer today, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Fuck! I cracked it. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Under Eye Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair. And I'm also going to use the Kylie Jenner Concealer in the shade Shell. And this has more of like a pinky undertone to it, and the Shell shade is kind of like a grayish. It's kind of ashy, but it's really good for brightening. And then I'm just going to blend this all out with my Beauty Blender. And then to set that, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. What I do is I set the under eye, just like so. And I'm going to sit there like this, so my eye does not crease, and I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face with the same Laura Mercier loose setting powder. And then what I do is I just push this into the skin like so. I don't like to like move around my brush or move around the makeup. I'm just gonna set that shit right where it is. All right, so now we're gonna go down on the bottom lash line, and I'm gonna tight line my eye. And I'm gonna be using the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner Pencil and the pencil side. And then I'm going to take the liquid eyeliner side with the felt tip pen, and I'm going to just line my top as well. Now I'm going to take that indigo color Osiris, and I'm going to take this very tiny little smudge pencil, and I'm going to smudge that up against my bottom lash line. Then I'm going to take a little bit bigger of a smudge brush, and I'm going to take that purple color from Sephora, called Playful, And I'm gonna smoke this out on the bottom. Wow, you guys, this is all coming together so nicely. It looks so fucking pretty. Now I'm gonna take this color Snowflake again, the same silver color, and I'm gonna put this in the corner of my eye. Ooh. Now I'm gonna go back in and pick up the white color called Snowball, and I'm going to just lightly smudge this up into the eyebrow area. All right. I'm just gonna go ahead and contour and highlight really quick, and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. All right, you guys, here is the finished look for today. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this look today that I created, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks so much, you guys, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your week. I will see you in my next video.